Hi all, welcome to our 10th standard maths. Nth term or general term of AP. General term is denoted by AN. Formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term of AP or general term of AP, sometimes also called as last term of AP, denoted by L. Nth term of AP, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is first term, D is common difference. Let us consider some examples. Find 10th term of AP 2, 7, 12. Find the 10th term of AP 2, 7, 12. Here A is first term is 2. Common difference D is A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, 7 minus 2, 5. We have to find 10th term of AP. Therefore 10th term, therefore n is equal to 10. 10th term n is equal to 10. We know that nth term of AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n means 10, A10, 10th term of AP plus first term 2 plus n means 10 minus 1, D means 5. Therefore 2 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into 5. 2 plus 45. 2 plus 45 is equal to 47. 10th term of AP. Therefore 10th term is 47. Next example, find the 18th term of AP 7, 10, 13, 16. Let first term is 7. Common difference is A2 minus A1, 10 minus 7, 3. Given n is equal to 18. 18th term means n is equal to 18. We know the formula general term or last term, nth term of AP is given by AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A 7 plus n 18 minus 1, D 3. 7 plus 17 into 3. 17 3s are 51. 7 plus 51, 58. 18th term is 58. Find the 25th term of the AP 5, 8, 11, 14. Here given A is first term is 5. Common difference D. A2 minus A1. 8 minus 5, 3. 25th term, therefore n is equal to 25. Find the 25th term of AP. Therefore general term of AP, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A 5 plus n 25 minus 1, D 3. Therefore 5 plus 24 into 3. 5 plus 24 into 3, 72. 72 plus 5, 77. Therefore 25th term of the given AP is 77. Next example, find the 50th term of the AP 5, 10, 15, 20. Here given first term a is equal to 5, common difference t is equal to a2 minus a1, 10 minus 5, 5, 50th, 50. Therefore n is equal to 50. We know the formula, nth term of AP, a plus n minus 1 into d, a 5 plus n is 50 minus 1, d is 5. 5 plus 49 into 5. 5 plus 49 5s are 5. 9 5s are 45, 4, 24. Therefore, this is 250. Therefore, 50th term of the given AP is 250. Next type of example, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Solution: a is equal to 3, first term is 3, d is equal to second term minus first term 5. Which term of AP for n is equal to how much? Is 78. So we know the last term is 78. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? We can take an is equal to 78. We can take an is equal to 78. Therefore an we know a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 78. A is first term into n minus 1 d 5 is equal to 78. 3 plus 5n minus 5 is equal to 78. 5n plus 3 minus 5 minus 2, 78. It implies 5n is equal to 78 plus 2, 80. Therefore, it implies n is equal to 80 by 5. N is equal to 16. N is equal to 16. Therefore, 16th term of the given AP is 78. Which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 is minus 81? Also, is any term 0? Give reason for your answer. Let us solve this problem. AP 21, 18, 15 is minus 81. Here given first term 21, common difference second term minus first term, 18 minus 21 minus 3, and also given an is equal to minus 81. Therefore, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d is equal to minus 81. A is 21 plus n we have to find n. We have to find n minus 1 d minus 3 is equal to minus 81. 21 plus 3n minus 3. 3n minus 3 is equal to minus 81. Here plus 21 minus 3 is 20 plus 21 minus 3 is 18. Plus minus 3n minus plus 3. Therefore, plus 21 plus 3 plus 24 minus 3n is equal to 81. Therefore, minus 3n is equal to minus 81 minus 24 is minus 105. Here cancels. N is equal to 105 by 3 is 35. Therefore 35th term of the given AP is minus 81. In this, here we also want to know if there is any n for which an is equal to 0. If there is any n for an is equal to 0, here a plus n minus 1d is equal to 0. 21 a means first term, n minus 1 d minus 3 is equal to 0. Here minus 3n plus 3 is equal to minus 21. Therefore minus 3n is equal to minus 21 minus 3 minus 24. Therefore n is equal to 24 by 3, 8. So the 8th term is 0. So the 8th term is 0. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the 7th term is 9. Next problem. Determine the AP whose third term is 5, 7th term is 9. So we have third term A3. We know A3, A plus 2D, A plus n minus 1D, A plus 3 minus 1 into D, A plus 2D is given 5. Term is 5. 7th term A7, A plus 6D, A plus n minus 1 into D, A plus 7 minus 1 into D, A plus 6D is 9. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Solving this pair of linear equations 1 and 2, we get from 1 and 2, we get solving these two linear equations, pair of linear equations, A plus 2D, equation 2 minus equation 1, A plus 6D is equal to 9, A plus 2D is equal to 5. Here plus 6D minus 2D plus 4D. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 by 4. Therefore D is 1. Put the value of D is equal to 1 in equation 1 or 2. We get A plus 2 into 1 is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 minus 2. 2 ones are 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore A is equal to 3. First term is 3. Common difference is 1. Now we have to write required AP. Therefore required AP is, we know the general form, first term plus second term plus third term plus fourth term. A 3, A plus D, 3 plus 1, 4. A plus 2D, A is 3 plus D is 1, 3 plus 2, 5. Next 3 plus 3 into D means 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And find the 11th term of AP minus 3 minus half 2 is. Options: A is equal to 28, B is equal to 22, C is equal to minus 38, D is equal to minus 48, 1 by 2, 48. Let us solve this. Find the 11th term of AP. Here first term minus 3, common difference minus half into minus minus plus 3. Therefore, minus 1 plus 6, 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2. We know here 11th term n is equal to 11. To find general term, nth term of AP, a plus n minus 1 into d. A means minus 3, n 11 minus 1 d, 5 by 2 minus 3, 10, 10 into 5 by 2, 2 ones are 2 5s are minus 3 plus 25 is plus 22. Therefore, 22 is the 11th term of AP. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs: 7, 13, 19, 205. Second one 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13 to minus 14. Let us solve first one. Here A is equal to 7, D 13 minus 7 is 6. Here we know an 205. Find the number of terms. We know a plus n minus 1 into d is 205. A is 7 plus n minus 1, d is 6 is equal to 205. 7 plus 6n minus 6 is equal to 205. 6n plus 7 minus 6 plus 1 is equal to 205. 6n is equal to 205 minus 1, 204. n is equal to 204 by 6 is 34. Therefore, there are 34 terms in given AP. 34 terms in given AP. Find the number of terms of the AP. Here first term is 18. Common difference is second term minus first term. 5 2s are 30. Plus 1, 31 by 2 minus 18. 2 is the LCM. 31 minus 18 2s are 36 minus 5 by 2. Find the number of terms. So n is equal to how much? Here an is minus 47. A plus n minus 1d is equal to minus 47. A 18. n minus 1d minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47. Therefore, n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47 minus 18. This is minus 65. 65. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to minus 65 into 2 by 5. Minus minus here plus. Take minus 5 by 2 right hand side. 2 by 5. 1s are 13s are 13 2s are 26. Therefore, n is equal to 26 plus 1, 27. Therefore, there are 27 terms in given AP.